Before you start level the floor, wood subfloor or concrete subfloor, don't forget fill up all cracks, all holes with silicone or using concrete or plani patch. Also put on the wall foam to make a gap between concrete and walls to avoid any sound transmission to the walls. Also put silicone on the bottom of the foam to avoid any leaks downstairs, and use primer, and then you will be successful. Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to level wood subfloor. You see the bucket, there is a beam and floor sloping to a few directions, and first direction into this wall, and another direction it's sloping to the balcony door. So very easy to fill up whole this area with using tripods and laser. I found the high spot, it's hallway, and then I use laser I install tripods and level it all this area in one shot. If you want to level like this sloping few times, no problem, you can do it. But if you're using professional tools like this, you see how much self-leveling compound you need to add, and you can do it. It's very fast and more, how to say, precise. Sometimes sloping very low. I remember was around 3 inches down, and when we using self-leveling compound, they allow to do it some material 3/4 inch in one shot, sometimes inch. So you have to do it 2-3 times. So I'm usually doing the lowest around in one time leveling. I'm doing 1.5 inches. So if not possible to fill up whole area in one shot, for sure you can do few times, but always each application use primer. So this is another was a very sloping side in doorway to the bedrooms. There was around the deepest spot 3/4 inch. So I just install tripods again, use laser. I found the highest spot, which is I already did with living room, and then I level it. Here is, I remember I used 12 bags, so very easy. You see, you don't forget to roll it with spike roller, what I did. It should look really nice. You see no reflection, it means very good level. So now it's next day. Customer can't believe how it's it's happened. So nice and very smooth leveling surface, concrete surface. So in few days I start to doing floor installation. For floor installation I am using Bona flooring glue. This is 7.5 inch thickness engineered white oak. So on Friday I just finished around 250 square feet floor. So here is how it's work. With self-leveling compound, very easy to make a nice flat level surface, and then do a perfect job with hardwood floor installation. I have few videos about how to level floor with big sloping. In description for this video I put links to that videos so you can check. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I will always answer you. See you on next video.